Abracadabra Pistol Challenge Overview. This regular AIM challenge has a skill level rating of difficult and is a static single position, single target, rapid multi-round engagement drill. The only target used for this challenge is the pink silhouette. This challenge is started at the 5-yard line with the pistol loaded and in the high ready position. This posture simulates holding on a potential threat target and uses one magazine filled with 3 live rounds. This is a timed event with a 1-second time limit. The goal of this challenge is to successfully engage a target with multiple shots very quickly from the high ready position. Once the competitor is staged and ready, pistol loaded and holstered at the 5-yard line and before starting the challenge, they will, number 1, draw the loaded pistol from the holster and come to the high ready shooting position, pistol pointed towards the targets. 2, ensure it is angled slightly below the eye line, eyes looking just over the sight's optic to see more of the environment. 3, ensure the finger is off of the trigger and resting along the frame of the pistol. Once the competitor is set, the timekeeper will say, "Stand by," and start the shot timer. On the beep simulates the target suddenly becoming a deadly force threat target. The competitor will move the pistol into their eye line while also moving their finger onto the trigger and engage the pink target with 3 rounds in very quick succession. The time stops on the last shot. Now, let's watch it in real time. Shooter, is your finger off the trigger?
It is.
Stand by. .88. To successfully pass this challenge, the competitor and challengers must complete the task in the allotted time frame, which is 1 second from the shot timer, beep, to the last shot. Skills strengthened, quick shooting, shot accountability, and reactionary response. Real-world application. Depending on your profession, law enforcement, military, security, or if you are just a civilian, in a high-threat situation, you might have to pull security on a no-shoot threat that suddenly becomes a deadly force, or shoot a threat, which is why this challenge focuses on rapid engagement with multiple rounds from a high-ready position. This is just one of almost 200 pistol challenges that test your skill and efficiency. Visit our website at intuitivedefense.com to get your copy of the AIM Training System Pistol Range Book, along with the AIM paper targets. May the odds be ever in your favor.